The St. Regis Dubai is located on the Palm Jumeirah, which is a sequence of artificial islands on the Persian Gulf in Jumeirah, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Enter the lobby, you know that this place is something special. The coffee bar serves sweet treats. The concierge desk helps with any excursions. And in the evenings, the lobby is bustling because there's a wine tasting and hors d'oeuvres are served. We stayed in a Grand Deluxe King room at the St. Regis Dubai, the Palm. As you enter the room, the bathroom is to your right. You see there's 2 sinks, a separate toilet room, and a separate shower. All marble throughout with plenty of towels and washcloths. There's also a separate tub. Across from the bathroom is a separate vanity where you can do your makeup, comb your hair, the final touches. In the sleeping and living area, there's a king-size bed with a nice sitting area if you want to just chill or eat breakfast in. There's also a large screen TV and a place to put your personal belongings if you like to remove them from your suitcase while you're staying. We chose a room with a view, and we actually got a view of the Burj Al Arab, which was nice. You also get really nice views of the Palm itself. Some of the best amenities at the hotel are the outdoor infinity pools. There are 2 of them located on the 50th floor. One is on the sunny side, the other is on the shady side. They're open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. and there's a lifeguard on duty at all times. They serve some of the most amazing smoothies and some of the most amazing quick bites such as nachos, pizza, a whole variety of things on the menu. There are pool attendants that assist you there, and they're very friendly and nice to have conversation with because you meet people from all over the world that have decided to relocate to Dubai. The reason we chose this hotel is because it's connected to the mall on the Palm. The Palm Jumeirah Mall. It's also connected to the Palm monorail. You can enter the mall through sliding doors from the hotel, and it's an easy place to grab Starbucks or a quick bite or something you may have forgotten to bring from home. They also have a grocery store, which was really nice, and you can also catch the Palm monorail from the mall. If you like the content in this video and you're interested in more, please like, share, and subscribe.